you disappear. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna be disappear. Okay? We're not gonna see you. Okay? Disappear, we can see you. Okay? Abracadabra. No. Come here. I'm going to make you disappear. Abracadabra. Come is going to disappear. 1, 2, 3.
Where is she?
Where's Kami, Daddy?
I don't see her.
Where's
Maybe she
Kami?
went under the chair over here. Look under the chair.
I don't know.
Tammy, where are you?
Where are you, Kami?
Tammy Beth, where are you? I don't see her.
I don't know where's Camille. Can you please call the police, Daddy? Let's go find
Look under
Camille.
the chair. I think she went under the chair. Look under there.
I don't know. I can see her.
There you are. We thought we lost you.
I want to catch you again. I want to catch you again.
No, I didn't see her.
Here.
Where are you, Camille?
I'm here, Mommy.
Did you see her, Daddy?
I'm here, Mama. I'm here. I'm here, Mama. I'm here. I'm here.
Where is Camille?
Mommy. I'm here. Mama, I'm here.
Where is Camille? Maybe I can see Camille on camera. Where is she?
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, Mommy. I'm here, Mama.
Maybe she's in the bathroom.
I'm gonna go look back.
Can you please look?
I'll go look back.
Mom, I'm here. Mom.
She's not in the camera either. I don't know where is she.
I'm here, Mommy. I'm here. I'm here,
No,
Mom.
I can see her. Where is she?
I'm here. I'm here with you. I'm here, Mama. I'm here.
Can we go back to the car, Daddy? 'Cause I can find Camille.
Maybe she's in the. I'm gonna go look.
Let's go. Let me try. Let me try. Daddy, let me try. Where is Camille? Abracadabra.
Go what? They need to-
Oh, Mommy's here. Oh, you're here. Where did you go? I didn't see you. Look. Daddy's going to get you in the car. Daddy didn't see you too. Where did you go? Where did you go?
After my pet had disappeared.
Do you want me to disappear?
Yeah.
Can you do it for me? You do it. Come on. Let the cell disappear. Come on. Come on. I wanna ask you. Where did you go? Why we can?
I was Daddy and I was Daddy. Why you can't see me? Why am I calling you?
We can hear nothing.
Why am I crying?
Door.
Why am I crying?
We can hear you crying.
I cry because you see me. Come on, it's good to